You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You all are welcome. In case you are meeting me for the first time, my name is Spirit Almighty. I'm an Igbo unifier. I'm on a mission to see that Igbo nation unites. I'm on a mission to see that Anioma state is being actualized and zoned to the southeast. I'm on a mission to see that the indigenous Igbos located in 13 Nigeria states are united. I'm here to see that the Igbos indigenous in the south start to embrace their Igbo identity. We're here to make sure that identity crisis becomes a thing of the past in Igbo land. That is why we are here. We are here to defend Igbo agenda. We are here to protect Igbo agenda. We are here to promote Igbo agenda. Dennis Mess, you are welcome. We are welcome. Thank you very much, brother. Thank you very much. Emmanuel Urbani. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Please, you can still share this live so that people can join. Now, concerning this Anioma state that we are agitating for, you will start asking yourself, why is it that some of our politicians in the southeast are demanding for another state? They are demanding for a new state, they are demanding for other states. Now, thank you, Shedrack, thank you. Now, what are the benefits of a new state and other states to Igbo nation? If, like, those that know scale of preference means choosing that demand that is more important to you. A name state is not important to Igbo nation. Other state is important, but it's not so important to Igbo nation because it will add nothing to Igbo nation. A name state will add nothing to Igbo nation. Now, a name state will not add extra land mass to Igbo nation. It will not add extra resources to Igbo nation. It will not add extra population to Igbo nation. It will not give the southeast political strength. You see, a name state will be created by dividing, like mapping out land from Anambra state and mapping out land from Imo state. Anambra state is the second most smallest state in Nigeria. Cutting it to create a state and cutting part of Imo state to create a state. It does not make sense. It does not make sense for one place. A name state is a selfish agenda. If you are from Anambra state, it's advisable for you people to start agitating that you don't want any part of Anambra state to be divided, to be removed from Anambra state to create any state in the southeast. That is what our people in Anambra are supposed to be doing. Igbo unification is a fight. Igbo unification is a movement. The way people take the fight Igbo nation for this country is expected of we Igbo to unite, and Anioma state is for Igbo to unite. It's not just for politics. Now let's talk about Adada state. The reason why we can say that Adada state is better is simply because Adada is going to add the Igbos in Kogi and in Benue states. Now, what is the benefit of Adada state to Igbo nation? The only benefit of Adada state to Igbo nation is say you go add Igbos where they Benue and Kogi to southwest. Do you know that we can bring back the indigenous Igbos in Benue and Kogi back to the southeast through boundary adjustment without creating another state? Yes, it's true. So now, Ndi Igbo should know that Anim state and other states is not Igbo agenda. If to say they talk say 2 states will be given to the southeast, if they say 2 states will be given to the southeast, then Anioma state will be first and the second one will be Adada state, not Anim state. And that's because Adada state is going to bring the Igbos indigenous in Kogi and Benue states back to the southeast. So Adada state is not a bad idea, but it should not come first before Anioma. We are talking about Igbo agenda, we are talking about Igbo interest, we are talking about Igbo nation here. If they want to balance every region in Nigeria 7 states, because one region already have 7 states in the north, either northeast, they have 7 states. Now, in that 7 states that they have, the federal government can say, okay, let's give every region that have 6 states one more state to balance those regions, 7 states. And if they want to balance other regions 7 states, then 2 states will be given to the southeast. And if 2 states will be given to the southeast, the first one, the very first one, should be Anioma state. And that's because the map of Anioma state has no part of southeast included on it. No part of southeast will be included in the map of Anioma state. No part of Anambra will be included in the map of Anioma state. Anioma state will bring back the indigenous Igbos in Edo state, which are Ibanke, Iru, Ekpon, Owariuzo, and so many other Igbo communities in Edo states. Those communities are up to 7 communities. If we not get this Anioma state, that means Ibanke people go really suffer for the hand of Oba Obini, because Oba Obini is marginalizing these people. Oba Obini is enslaving these people. Oba Obini is doing everything possible to make sure that he takes the crude oil and gas in Ibanke land. Ibanke people have crude oil and gas in their land. Ibanke have crude oil and gas in their land. But instead of Southeast potential to get focus, say, these people get crude oil and gas, so you go benefit Igbo nation. No. Now our land be that to make we support Anioma state together. They are there. Without shame, they want to cut Anambra and Imo to form a state. Is it not shameful? The only, see, for the entire Nigeria, the only geopolitical zone that their politicians don't have vision is Southeast. Southeast comes first when they talk about politicians that don't have vision. Politicians that are not united. Politicians that are being divided by selfish ambition. Politicians that don't know what is Igbo. Politicians that don't represent Igbo. Politicians that don't have Igbo agenda at heart. I don't know whether he gets person where they pay them to sabotage Anioma state. Because I know say, not be just Southeast people they sabotage this. I know say not be just Southeast politicians they sabotage Anioma state. I know say there are people from other states. There are people from some other places, maybe people from the north, where they pay these people say, make una no make Anioma state become reality. So many Igbo people can do anything for money. The major problem of Igbo nation is money. Not selfishness, not greed. If you say that selfishness and greed, all of them are traced to money. Make it enter their pockets, make their chop. They are not here for the interest of Igbo nation. It's so shameful. The information that we are hearing is that Soludo wants Anioma state to be divided, for one of it to be a state. If I can losing an Igbo. This information allegedly is from a reliable source. Anambra people, if to say that to organize protest, una organize, make an organize protest to say no part of Anambra state should be mapped out to create a name state. Now what we want to hear be that. This state creation is a fight that Igbo should fight well. Make we not allow selfish politicians to come spoil something for us. Igbo unification is something that our ancestors have been clamoring for. Every Igbo movement and agenda in this Igbo land, both home and diaspora, are in support of Anioma State. All of them want Anioma State. Yes! Chuku the Abuja. Make una mobilize protest for Anambra State. See, if Anambra people do a protest, say they don't want to make any part of Anambra be mapped out to create an Anim State, you will see that the dream of an Anim State will be shattered. Since our politicians no want hear word, we make them know say now we put them for that place where they dey. This is what I want our people to be doing. See how we Anioma people, we made a protest telling those our politicians from Anioma that signed against the zone of Anioma State to the Southeast that they are not representing us, that we don't know them. We told them in that protest that we Anioma people want to join the Southeast. Say any politician where they sign against the zone of Anioma State to the Southeast, say he just the disgrace himself. We said it there. You saw the protest, you saw our population, how our people are speaking, agitating that they want Anioma State to join Southeast. Those of you from Anambra, you can do it. Mobilize yourselves. Go police station. Tell them say una wan do peaceful rally. Make police officers dey with una that day. They protect una. Mobilize crowd. Carry DJ and speaker. Use microphone. They talk say what you want is Anioma State, and that no part of an Anambra State should be mapped out to create any Anim State. That Anambra State is too small to be divided. This is what our brothers from Anambra are supposed to be doing. With that, the dream of Anim State will be crushed. You know, if you do that kind of protest where we do for Anioma for Southeast, make politicians not hear you. They will surely hear you. Then this man, no blame that person where come from a car where thought that nonsense. Who be that person? Who know him? One thing you must know is that anybody where they this Oshimi and I don't know where make Anioma State just Southeast, in voice no matter. Our voice is bigger than their voice. We dey go National Assembly, they meet with senators from other regions in Nigeria. We dey meet deputy senate presidents. Last time we met Alim Dume. We met some other senators. We dey talk about how Anioma go take benefit Igbo nation. Don't mind that boy from Abavo. Abavo people are from Uri Kingdom. People don't know their history. Our kingdom in the land is from Uri Kingdom. Abo Kingdom is from Uri Kingdom. That is their origin. So, don't mind all those people who don't know what they talk. Anioma State is going to the Southeast. So, our brothers for the Southeast, make una support Anioma State. This fight will not be something where we say we go just there for social media. They talk say we support Anioma State. Let's do it with action. Make our action speak louder than our voice. We have met with Ohanes in Igbo, and they are in full support of Anioma State. Deliberation is still going on. Last time we visited the Ohanes in Igbo, we posted the video on social media when we gave Senator Azuta Mpata, the President General of Ohanes in Igbo, an award congratulating him for his position as the President of Ohanes in Igbo. So we dey show okay, if we meet this person, we go tell you say we meet this person, we go show proof for social media, make people know say we meet am. So as we dey talk for social media, so we are working on the ground to see that we actualize Anioma State. But we cannot do it alone. We need the support of our brothers in the Southeast. Start making videos. Start saying you don't want to make the divide Anambra State to create another state for Igbo nation. Say what you want in Anioma. We Anioma people, we have already made our statement. Say we want to join Southeast. Nobody from Anioma go fit stop am. if na referendum we go do referendum, we see that majority will carry the vote because so many Anioma people wants to join the southeast. So if you are from the southeast and you are saying that Anioma people talk say no one join southeast, for that we want an state, we want another state, that is the mindset that these people are inculcating in your brain to make you feel that Anioma people don't want to join the southeast. If Anioma people say that they are Igbo, that they want to join the southeast, you don't ever see Benin people post that kind of thing for their platform. No, you don't ever see Yoruba people post them. No, you don't ever see Northerners post them. No, because they don't want Igbo to be united. But when they see an Ika person say that he's not Igbo, when they see an Oshime and Okwane person say that he's not Igbo, they will be posting it on social media. That is, those are our governors. They don't want to listen to Ohanese. Normally, Ohanese and Igbo want to make Anioma State just artists. Now, Anioma State that they support. But we have politicians in this southeast that what they want is money. When I'm saying this in that the problem of Igbo nation is money. Some people go to say that money is our problem. Let's be teaching our children the dangers of too much love for money. Let's teach our children love for Igbo nation. Now, what we supposed to teach our children the other steps? Love for Igbo nation, Igbo agenda. Why Igbo should unite? Importance of unity, benefits of unity. Now, this is what we're supposed to teach our children. So that in case they grow, they find money, make money not take away their Igbo consciousness. Make money not take away the Igbo consciousness where they for our children. Do you know the oil and gas that we have in Anioma land? Oil and gas where they are Anioma land is too much. The crude oil and gas in Okwane land is bigger than the crude oil that Urobo people have in that Delta state. We Okwane people, we get so many crude oil wells and gas for Okwane land, past Urobo land. But Urobo people are benefiting more than us. Because they play politics. They sabi play politics. They know how to play politics. Now, instead of our Southeast politicians to be looking at Anioma people have crude oil and gas, but they're going to feel say the crude oil and gas in Anioma, we were the Southeast, we were the Imo State, we were the other. We're not going to benefit from it. It's only Anioma people that will be benefiting from it. That is their mindset. That's why they will talk say instead of us to actualize Anioma State for Anioma people, make Anioma people they enjoy their resources. We rather get other states, even if only 2 or you this other states, we could sell the crude oil, they chop the money. Even if only 5 oil wells 90 for Anim State, we could sell the crude oil, they chop the money than to allow Anioma people to take these lots. That is their mentality. Chukudi Abuja. You will see my number in my video. If you watch my video, as you just you go, yeah, so that number, where did my number? Message me on WhatsApp. Let's talk. If you watch that video, in the when I do advertisements, that video, you will see my number for that place. Message me on WhatsApp. Let's talk. Because we need and we need support from our viewers. Let's work together. Let's make this thing work. As if you say, those politicians from when they look for Ada and one sabotage Anioma, make Anioma not come reality. We go tell them, see, we pass them. If na WhatsApp group, we don't create WhatsApp group. Our own make una message me, make an add on for this group. Let's work. If they see my videos, the way they talk, my serious says, you people will know that this cause, this agenda, say we really need them. Biko Chuku de Abuja, message me on WhatsApp. After this live section, we will talk. In that WhatsApp, I am there. Deputy Jesus is there. Igbo is there. Barrister Forchi is there. All those people, all of us, they work. They do that rally for Anioma State. All of them did that place. Let's talk. Let's deliberate. Let's work. Let's work things out. Anambra people need to protest. Imo State people need to protest. Say they don't want any part of their land to be mapped out. If Imo State people not protest, self, if Anambra people protest, they don't destroy the dream of Anioma State. Because purpose of them are not going to encroach. If Soludo hold ground, we go drag him. If he get presidential ambition, he not go anywhere. We go tell and say, Soludo, we will make sure that you fail. We will make sure that you not go smell that place. You see that support where P2B get, you will never get that kind of support. We go from home here, they fire you, go make sure say you not go anywhere. So, we, the Igbo youths, let's make sure that we occupy the social media with same mindset and agenda. Because as I hear that he says Soludo, they thought say one divide Anambra State into two to take Kree State. I was like, waiting at the year. So, is this man serious or is just a rumor? Okay, Emmanuel Loban, you heard it through. Make you know say we not dey lie. If we dey tell on any information about this place, we are telling you facts. We don't spread lies or propaganda to deceive people for them to believe in our narrative. No. Once we tell you anything here, we are telling you that thing to go and verify. We don't say believe. We don't tell you something to believe. We don't tell you go verify whether it's true or a lie, so that you won't be a blind follower. If you check my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, you will watch my videos. If you watch my videos, after like 20 seconds of my video take play, you will see advertisement where they advertise for the way city estate. You will see Igbo niile ndị na-asọ bịa. After you see buy your lands from the way city estate, you will see a number there. That is my number, my WhatsApp number. That is my call number. That is my WhatsApp number. Call that line and I will reply you. Message me on WhatsApp, tell me your name on YouTube, I will recognize you. We will chat. Then we will start deliberating on the way forward for me. Let's work together. My number is there. Go to my video, you will see it there. All these our Southeast governors only care about themselves and their pockets. Ndị Igbo love themselves, but Southeast politicians don't love Ndị Igbo. If you look at what Ijaw people are doing now, Ijaw, that Bayelsa State is a very big state. Bayelsa where they see so, now very big state. Even if you see now water, that water add for the landmass of Ijaw people. That water add for their economy. That water made them Ijaw that they are today. Canada is a very big country. They will tell you that so many places in Canada is filled with water. Say land where they Canada not plenty, fine, but those water made Canada a very big country. Ijaw people, instead of them to divide Bayelsa states, for them to have two states, they are clamoring for the Ijaw people in Ondo State, Edo State and Delta State to be one state called Toru Ebe State. You will be surprised to know that Toru Ebe State is the choice of the South. From my own observation, I dey feel say now Toru Ebe State go be the next state for South. So those Anioma people that are saying that they want Anioma State to be created as well to the South, it's not possible. The slots for South have been taken, the way things are going. So Anioma State will never be in the South. Instead of Ijaw people to divide Bayelsa state to create for it to be two Ijaw states, they kept Bayelsa state and they are agitating for to rule Ebonyi state, for the Ijaw people in Ondo, Edo and Delta to be one state. And with that, Ijaw people will have two states. Look at Ijaw people, they say they know the top charts for JAMB results or WAEC results, but look at their mindset. Look at the way they are reasoning. Instead of them to be in one state, they are agitating to have one more state to be two states. And Southeast still dey for 5 states instead of them to get their brothers wey dey outside Southeast. Anioma is bigger than Anambra State. Anioma have more resources than Anambra State. Anioma have a very big population. The population of Anioma people is 2 to 3 million people. Instead, our politicians, they talk say no, they won't create an Anioma state. They won't create other states to leave their brothers in Anioma land. Wetin come show say our politicians go school. Yes, Chizie, with the way things are going, you know that one northern state have 7 states, and other states, one northern geopolitical zone, maybe is it not northeast or northwest, have 7 states. So to balance the equation, I believe that one more state will be given to every other region that has 6 states. One more state will be given to those regions, for those regions to be balanced 7 states each. So if other regions will be 7 states, okay, northeast, thank you. If other regions will be 7 states, then southeast will be given 2 states. And that 2 states should be, the first state should be Anioma, and the second state should be Ada. Anim state should not be in the equation. Nothing concern Anim. Why is it that Ada should be the second? Is because Ada will bring back the indigenous Igbos in Kogi and in Benue State. Kogi Igbos and Benue Igbos will now be joined to the map of other states. Anioma states will bring the indigenous Igbos in those states with Anioma people back to the southeast. That is a very big win for Igbo nation. Then it will say you get more state proposal when they come for the future here, and we go feel it also okay. Make part of these people and these people, Anambra and Imo, make them come together, make them form more states, make we get more senators, more House of Reps, and so on. But for now, when we say Igbo people are still outside the southeast, let's bring those people back to the southeast. That is what our politicians are supposed to be thinking. We go bet somewhere Ajay winning Ajay Mbene because Mbene. Whether or northwest or northeast, 9 get 7 states, that one should not be an argument. Because all we know is that a geopolitical zone in the north have 7 states. So with the way things are going, one must I believe say one more state will be given to other regions in Nigeria, and the southeast will be given 2 states. Okay. Nigeria where they forbid lights, but we must continue. We must continue. They're not these people won't try. We want to wait to. This is the country that we are in, or no light, or we must continue. Light or no light, we must continue. So now, if we bring back the indigenous Igbos that are staying outside the southeast, it will be a plus to Igbo nation. The resources in those regions will be a plus to Igbo nation. You are right, big man. Other minority tribes wants to expand. If Ijaw people want 3 states now, there are Ijaw people in in River State. That Ijaw people in River State now, they don't they won't get their own state. The Ijaw investor can say, okay, let us map a little land and join for you people so that your state will be big. Before you know, Ijaw will get 3 states. You see, they take their brother where they outside, make their brothers where they outside get their own states. Now, things like that, they make a people a majority. Southeast now majority where they do them, where they say Southeast are majority, but our politicians in the Southeast, those set of Southeast politicians that are selfish, they are trying to shrink Igbo to be a minority. Why you go dey find majority from the minority where you already be? You get 5 states instead of to add extra outside the 5 Southeast states. You dey want divide Southeast to get states. It's very shameful now. Now a thing of shame it be. Now such way be say, as I dey hear that thing, I dey cover my face for Hopus or them man. I dey cover my face for Soludo. All those our brothers wey dey agitate for Adada, I dey cover my face for them because these people they put their pockets first. Other people are trying to map out land from Enugu State to create other states. The only thing where they give the damn mind where be like say, okay, they right small. Now those indigenous Igbos in Kogi and Benin where they want to add for other, that is the only advantage that they have. If not, they have no advantage. Anioma State is the most viable state for the Southeast. Anioma State, Anioma State are the state where we say Southeast supposed stand with. Southeast supposed deal with Anioma State. All Southeast politicians and Southeast people, they are expected to stand with Anioma. Not Anim State, not other states. Yoruba people are there supporting security people to get Warri State. And if they get that Warri State, they go want join Southwest. They won't join Southwest. As the Yoruba people, they look for they thought they want divide Osun State, when they take from another state. They find all these Ijebu states. You will survive to know that Yoruba people will do everything possible. Make sure that they don't get all those Ijebu states and Osun states. All those Ijebu states and dividing Osun State to create another state. Instead, they will be agitating to get Warri State. They will be agitating to get the Igbos indigenous in Kogi State to join them in the Southwest. That is how to play politics. That is how to play politics. But our Southeast politician, they go on cock away. They don't get that time. They are own na That's why people are saying that Igbo love money. When they say Igbo love money, they are talking about those Igbo people that can sabotage Igbo agenda for their selfish interest. Thank you very much, big man. You are welcome, Ajay. We name as Ajay. We in Igbo, let's be teaching our children that money is good, money is very important, but don't put money first before your people. This Igbo unification that you are seeing today is a fight. Igbo unification are a very big fight. Look at how other tribes in Nigeria are fighting in the Igbo. As we say, people now they use weapons like olden days, like they invade people. What they are doing is social media war. People now use social media to push their agenda. People use social media to actualize their agenda. We Igbos, let us use social media and actualize this our agenda. Some people go say, everything the politician can allow you. If you start to protest for Anambra, they say make the not map any part of Anambra. They create a name state now. When I will say, una don sabotage the agenda of those people who look for a name state. See, let me tell you something, Ugo Bear Samuel. All those George Oyibe and all those who call their Victor, when they call themselves Victor side, they cannot stop Anioma State now. You don't ever see those people for National Assembly. We say they find go that place. Those people are only online noise makers. So in the past, all I do is all those time I never start to do, like I never start to talk about Igbo education online. Though I'm advocating for it, but I do much of writing and commenting on people's page. I come find out say politician go do something not good. Now only comment section will just do there, maybe call the politician, you don't have sense, you don't even have a direction, this, that. If anything happen for country, will they comment section the right? Then after that, and I came to realize that all those things where you talk for comment section end for comment section, you know they go past like that. It ends in the comment section. That was when I started making videos, going close to politicians, telling them that this is what we want. That's why I say this is what we want. We want to see our people succeed. So we are not agitating for Anioma State because we are Anioma people. We are agitating for Anioma State because that is the right thing to do. If you say I come from all those Anim area, I go dey agitate say make they get Anioma State. Let's get Anioma State first. This is the reason why Fulani is like Fulani unity. The unity that Fulani people have, no other tribe in this country, Nigeria, have it. Those people are so united. Those people have one mind. They have one goal. They have one agenda. They have the same mindset and motive. If to say Anioma people are Fulani people and Southeast are Fulani, they don't get this Anioma State sense. Not be all this thing where they drag whether for Anioma to be created or other that to be created or Anim to be created. Fulani don't get that time. They just say Anioma State they want, Anioma State they forget. That is people that have the same mindset and agenda. This is what we are telling our people to be doing. Anioma State will unite in the Igbo. This Anioma State is to end identity crisis. Anioma State actualization will end identity crisis. Now, do you know that Oguta people migrated from Okwane land? Oguta people in Imo State, they migrated from Okwane land to their present location. Today, Oguta people are so proud of their Igbo identity. That is where Charlie Boy came from. Charlie Boy is telling the world that he's an Igbo man. Oguta people will be telling you that they are Igbo people, that they are proud of their Igbo identity. If Oguta people are located in Anioma land here, they will never say that they are Igbo people because they are located in identity crisis area. In the past, Onitsha people in Anambra State say that they are not Igbo people. They go tell say they not be Igbo people. If they see other Igbo groups, they will call them Mwa Onyi Igbo, Onyi Igbo. But after some time, today, every Onitsha man and woman is proud of his Igbo identity. And that is because they are not in identity crisis area like Anioma land. Before Ikore people were sent, before Ikore people joined South-South, before they left Southeast to join South-South, they are proud of their Igbo identity. But immediately they left the Southeast to the South-South, they started saying that they are not Igbo people. You see, this is why we want our people in the Southeast to support this Anioma State. Make Anioma join Southeast. Anioma State has a lot of benefits to Igbo nation. It will strengthen the political strength of Ndi Igbo. It will increase and expand the landmass of Ndi Igbo, because Anioma is Igbo land and territory. If you just say a name and other that you want, you are pushing Anioma people away. You are fighting the Igbo unification movement. You see, that is why we want this Anioma state to become a reality. Make Anioma state not just be something we say we did hear they agitate for Anioma state after everything that we have done for Anioma state to be actualized, after all the movement, after all the travel, after all the lobbying, and somebody go to that place, they agitate for states where no go benefit in Igbo. The reason why so many Anioma people today are saying that they're not Igbo people is because what they experienced during the Biafra war. As northern soldiers start to massacre Anioma people, they slaughter our people. In order for Okwane people to survive, Okwane people started telling their children that they are not Igbo people, that they are Okwane people, that Okwane and Igbo don't speak the same language, that they are separate people from Okwane people, that they are separate people from Igbo, that they are not one people. And even up to today, they are still telling their children that they are not Igbo people. The evidence is there. What kind of people they talk about? If you go to Ika land, the same thing. Oshimi and the natural land, the same thing. These people were denying their Igbo identity to stay alive, and that is what some of them are doing today. That is what some of them are doing. So that Biafra war really affected Ndi. It affected Ndi. Since Nigeria was created, Anioma people were separated from their Southeast brothers. The kind of Anioma people go keep for Western region. They took Anioma people to Western region in 1939. Before 1939, Anioma people were agitating that they want to make sure that they are being zoned to Eastern region, for them to be with their kind, for them to be with their brothers, for them to be with people they speak the same language with, to be with people they have the same culture and tradition with, to be with people that they have the same way of life with. But instead, Anioma people were moved to Western region in 1939. In 1951, in 1953, yes. In 1953, Anioma people were moved from Western region to Midwestern region. Midwestern region comprises of Edo State and Delta State, two of them together. It's also called Bendel State. Midwestern region is being called Bendel State. What is Bendel State? Benin and Delta together is Bendel. In 1991, Delta State was created. And as they create Delta State, they still carry Anioma people, keep for South. They don't want to see Anioma people united with their Southeast brothers. So now this separation now make so many of our people for Anioma they thought they not be Igbo people. It's just ignorance and lack of understanding. Now ignorance and lack of understanding that makes some of our people they thought say they not be Igbo people, they not be Igbo people, they do on their own, deceiving themselves. Majority of Anioma people that are telling the world that they are Igbo people today, they had the message from the Igbo unification movement. They see what we do online now. Why did they talk say there be Igbo people? They don't see the truth for what they talk. They see fact and evidence for what they talk. So those from the Southeast, don't give up on the Igbo unification movement. The strength of the Igbo unification movement is the support that is getting from Igbo worldwide. So that Biafra war really affected the Igbo. It really affected us. That is why you see identity crisis everywhere in Anioma land. That's why if we get Anioma state to join Southeast, identity crisis will be a thing of the past. Identity crisis will cease to exist. When Anioma person say that he's Igbo, Yareba, Bini, and the job people, they don't post it. They only post those Anioma people that say they are not Igbo people. This is for you to know that Igbo unification is fighting a battle. Igbo unification is fighting a war. We dey fight a very big battle. That's why we are urging our brothers from the Southeast to take the Igbo unification movement very serious. Do you know that we have Amoji in Ukwane land? There's a place called Amoji in Onichukwane community. Amoji. We are one people. Communities in Igbo land that are called Onitsha are up to 21 to 26 communities that are being called Onitsha. In Anioma land we have Onichubo, we have Onichuku, we have Onicholona, we have Onitsha Ukwane. That one is located in Ukwane land. 4 Onitsas in Anioma land here. We also have some other Onitsha in Anambra State, in Enugu State, in Ebonyi State. All of them are called Onitsha, Onitsha, Onitsha. What is the meaning of Onitsha? Onitsha means he stayed one side. Ono Icha. Ganocha, stay one side. Ndi no Icha. Ono na Icha. Icha. It's just like Icha nozo, Cha nozo. Ndi no Icha. Ono Icha. That is the name Onitsha. That is the meaning of Onitsha. So many of Onitsha people don't know this meaning. They don't even know the meaning of Onitsha. Onitsha, stay one side. Just like we have Owele. Owele, which means outskirts. In Ibuzo, there's a village in Ibuzo called Ogbe Owele. And that Ogbe Owele is in the outskirts of Ibuzo. In the outskirts of Ibuzo, like the boundary between Ibuzo and other communities, now there Ogbo Owele dey. Ogbo Owele not the day for center. They dey in the outskirts. That's why such people are called Owele. You'll be hearing things like all these communities where we say there are people where they for outskirts of the community. In that olden days, some of their people go talk say, make we go that ending side, go there. And people go come tell them, okay, they will start referring to those people as Owele people. If you talk about Oboro, in all Oboro people in the southeast, all migrated from Anioma land here. They migrated from Oburuku. Oburuku was founded by Anokwane man called Ezemu. We Okwane people, we call Ezemu as Ezemu. Oburuku people call it Ezemu. They call it as Ezemu. Yes, Oburuku people pronounce it as Ezemu. We in Okwane, where Ezemu migrated from, we call it as Ezemu. Ezemu, the founder of Ubuluku, migrated from a community in Ukwane land called Afo. Afo Market Day, Afo. That is the name of that Ukwane community. That Afo community in Ukwane land was where Ezemu migrated from. The parents of Ezemu were living in Afo community. Now they born Ezemu there. Ezemu and his brothers Obodo and the rest now left that Ukwane community called Afo and migrated to Aniocha land in this Anioma land. They first settled in a place called Obolono. Then from that Obolono, Ezemu left, went further and settled in the place he founded called Obuluku. He settled under a tree called Obolo tree. The seed of that Obolo tree be like human brain. So that was how that tree got its name Obolo. Because the seed they be like human brain. So from that place, also Obolo people left Obuluku to their present location in Anambra State. Also Obolo people, they would say their founder is Ezemu. Also Obolo people, they left from Obuluku in Anioma land to their present location. From there, so many other Obolo communities, even the Obolo communities in Imo State, the community of Evangelist Ebukobi is called Obolo. And in their place, they will tell you that their founder is called Ezemu, that they migrated from Anioma land in Delta State. And all the Obolo in the south, do you know how many Obolo communities that are in the southeast? Almost 10 to 15 Obolo communities now we get for this Igbo land. And all of them migrated from Obuluku. And Obuluku migrated from Ukwane land. We are one people. The reason why I'm saying all these things is for us to know how we are being connected. For them to know how we all are one people. If you go Obuluku, they could tell you from Afo, they from migrate from Afo from Ukwane land. We are one people. So make we not allow those our selfish politicians to keep Anioma land for South. Some of our brothers in the South is where they support those and in-state agitators. They say, the Southeast is Igbo. The indigenous Igbos in South are also Igbo. You can get your Anioma state in the South and still be Igbo. You are Igbo but be in the South. Just see this kind of mindset where those people get. Not be every Igbo person will support Igbo agenda. Not be every Igbo person they see vision, say they want to make Igbo unite. You are welcome, our brother from Bolo. Breakthrough Chukuma. Remember that's Ozobolo. We are one people. If you are from Obolo, Ozobolo, you see one person, now your brother you meet. Because Ezemu, the founder of all Obolo communities in Igbo land today, migrated from Ukwane land. We are one people. Now, those of you that migrated from this Anioma land, you are proud of your Igbo identity. But Anioma people are saying that they are not Igbo people. The only thing that will make Anioma people to embrace their Igbo identity is for them to join the Southeast. Give them 10 years to come, they will start to talk to the Igbo people. Because some of them never even travel go Southeast. Some of them are here say they made the return not be Igbo. If they join Southeast, you go see these people go start to talk to the Igbo people. Obuluku community, all of them are proud of their Igbo identity. All of them, they are proud of their Igbo identity. When myself and Deputy Jesus went to Obuluku to capture their Ine festival 2 years ago, we interviewed some Obuluku people. We asked them, this Anioma state that we are agitating for now, what are you people saying about it? Are you in support of Anioma state? Some of Obuluku people are saying that they are not Igbo. They said, who is that Obuluku person that is saying that he's not Igbo? That we Obuluku people, we are Igbo people. Our origin is Igbo. Our ancestors are Igbo people. Uburuku people have never for one day denied their Igbo identity. They are proud of their Igbo identity. They see themselves as Igbo. So, for Igbo to unite, we need to make sure that we get this Anioma land back to Southeast. Make Anioma join Southeast. Make we not allow our selfish politicians to get all those name states, other states, and leave Anioma state in the South. Anioma state will never be given to South people because there are 5 state proposals from the South already. And with the way things are going, one of those people will surely take that slot. It's a must. If Southeast people get other states now, let's say only one state will be given to the Southeast, and Southeast people take another state, do you think that South people will give Anioma people Anioma state? No, because they will tell you that how can we people be looking at Igbo people and Igbo people will have one state in the Southeast and one more state in the South? It's not possible. They don't agree. That is why we are doing everything possible to make sure that we Anioma people take that slot that was meant for the Southeast, for we Anioma people to join our brothers in the Southeast. This thing dey very bad. Say now state where Southeast go collect, now we can't hear the deliberate on sense. We dey hear say Soludo dey talk say he want divide Anambra state in total to be 2 different states. That is what we are hearing. And some Anambra people don't know this one we are talking about. They don't know. Yes, there are Okuzo people in Okwane. There's a community in Okwane land called Obiaroko community. In that Obiaroko community, there is a village in that Obiaroko called Okuzo. The barrister of Indian Asobia Socio-Cultural Organization that is championing this Anioma state. He is from Obiaroko community in Okwane land. His name is Barrister Benjamin Ofochi Atagana. I have posted his videos on this my channel many times. He is the barrister of Indian Asobia Socio-Cultural Organization. Every movement where we dey go, every letter where we dey write, every proposal where we dey do, everything we dey write, and that's our barrister they done for us. He is from Obiaroko community, from Okuzo quarters. So we are one people now. You from Okuzo, you go to talk say you know what make Anioma state join Southeast. No, you have brothers here that still speak that Igbo language. That is the reason why you should support Anioma state. Those of you from the Southeast that your people from the Southeast migrated into Anioma land, make una hold ground, make una not agree. Those of you that your ancestors migrated from Anioma land here to the Southeast, make una not agree. We Anioma people that know that we have brothers that migrated from Anioma land to the Southeast, and we have brothers that came from the Southeast to Anioma land. We the champion to see that we get Anioma state, make we coexist as one, make we dey for the same geopolitical zone. That is the reason why we are here. Don't allow a selfish politician to sabotage it. If you are from Anambra State and you want us to work together to make sure that Anioma State surely comes to pass, if you check my video for that place, you will see where they write my name. And you will see where they advertise for the Way City Estate. That number, they message me from that number. I will reply you on WhatsApp. Let's talk. Let's know the way forward for Anioma State to become a reality. The problem of Anioma State now are those Southeast politicians that are agitating to get a name state and other states. Because in the National Assembly, Southeast politicians are expected to choose only one state. They go there. This one talks in Adada they want. This one talks in a name they want. This one talks in Anioma they want. Waiting. Why be say we Igbos? We not just get one agenda. Why? We don't have one agenda. No common front. Why would the Igbo be marginalized when we don't have one mindset? where we don't have one motive, we don't have one agenda. Those people that are saying Anioma people thought they not be Igbo, now why Southeast boys they thought they no one they want Anioma da. All those are just excuses that people are using to justify the action of those politicians that are agitating for other than Anioma. No movement in this life gets 100% support from their people. As Igbo nation, they agitate, say they want Biafra. Now, all Igbo people, they support the Biafra agenda. No. Some Igbo people still want us to remain in Nigeria. So many Yoruba people are in support of Tinubu. So many Yoruba people are not in support of Tinubu. So many Yoruba people want to make Tinubu step down. Some want Tinubu to remain as president. Some Yoruba people don't want Tinubu to remain as president. When Buhari was president, some Northerners were happy, some were not happy, some want him to step down. Some Nigeria want Nigeria to divide, some Nigeria don't want it to divide. That is human nature. No agenda, no movement in life has 100% support from the people that are affected by that movement and agenda. That's all life be. When they create Delta State, are all Delta people in support of it? No. If you check the agenda of every region in this country, things where they don't actualize in the past, not be everybody from that region supports that thing. So every Anioma people must not support Anioma State. But as it be say, now we they play the politics. Let's play the politics saying that we want Anioma State to be created for the Southeast. Then if na referendum, we go do referendum for Anioma people, the masses to vote. And you will surely be surprised to see that Anioma people that want Anioma State to join the Southeast will be the majority in that voting. Anioma State will be created in no time. So the ball now for Anioma State is in the court of Southeast politicians. That thing what Okowa they talk now, all those now just wetin they talk. Wetin they hold Okowa. Look at those things, no be Okowa when they talk say it's still 1.3 trillion naira Delta State money. 9 they hold and now they hold I mean 9 they want allegedly based on what we heard that Okowa took money 1.3 trillion. So forget all those things where they talk. Okowa cannot stop Anioma State to be from being zoned to the Southeast. Okowa cannot stop it. In that our protest and rally that we did, that protest will shake the country. The next day after that protest was when our Southeast politicians wanted to make their choice in the National Assembly. But after they see that protest, everybody relaxed. They don't know what they want to talk again because that our protest shake everywhere. If you are from Anambra, it's right for you people to start protesting. Make una start to write for social media say no part of Anambra should be mapped out to create a name state. Use it as a way to frustrate those politicians that are agitating for a name state. Anambra people, make una not sit down. Anambra that is the second most smallest state in Nigeria, to be divided by selfish politicians instead of them to be agitating for their brothers outside the Southeast to join them. They want to divide Anambra that is a small state. The strength of Anambra today is that their population. Comot Ihiala local government from Anambra. Wetin be Anambra again? Anambra is gone without Ihiala local government. Anambra people should start protesting. Use your Facebook page, write, make a real video. If na 20 minutes video you make, talk say no part of Anambra should be carved out to create any state. Do the video, post am. Nobody go come buy you say you do such video. And with that, you go to open the eyes of some other Anambra people. Before you know, Anambra people everywhere, protest don't start. Because some Anambra people don't even know what is happening. One thing about our Igbo brothers is that as they just focus on business, they don't finish. They even talk about politics. After when Igbo nation was destroyed by the federal government of Nigeria, Igbo people come say Nigeria government they reject them, made them not join politics. Our people come focus on business. And because of that, our people are not politically conscious. They own anything will happen, make it happen, we go still survive. No, not be so. We have to change that mindset. We have to change that mindset now. Make we change that mindset. It's not good. I made the video today when I talked about the reason why some Ukwane people are saying that the word Igbo means slave. Go my wall, you will see the video for there. That video was the last video I posted. I posted that video today. You will see the TikTok live revelation that was made by Anioma talking about how Benin Kingdom was using Anioma people for slavery and sacrifice. Anioma people are called Igbo since their history. And because of that, Benin people were calling Anioma people Igbon. If Benin people want to call Igbo, they call it as Agbon. If they want to call Igbo, they pronounce it as Igbon. In Ukwane, what we call red oil is Ofibo. The way Benin people pronounce that red oil in Benin language is Ofibon. They add any to it. Benin people are Yoruba people from Ile-Ife. Their language from Ile-Ife, Yoruba language is not the same with Idu language. So, all those similar words where we Ukwane people, where we Igbo people they share with Benin language, now Igbo words where they add for where follow from Benin language. What Benin people call Sibet is Ediabane. What Benin people call fire is Okoko. What Benin people call lamp is Upe. That's what we call it to Ukwane land. What Benin people call lion, which we Ukwane people call Odume, which Igbo nation call Odom. What Benin people call it is Oduma. So Benin language is a mixture of so many languages, including Igbo language. If you watch that video, you will see truth in it. Those people that are telling you that Igbo means slave, Igbo does not mean slave. I saw an old dictionary written by all those British people where they said that Igbo means slave. Igbo does not mean slave. Now circumstances now make people they refer to Igbo as slave, because when they were selling Igbo people as when they were selling Igbo people into slavery, they were calling them Igbo. I want to buy Igbo, bring Igbo, bring Igbo. And because of that, they started referring to that name Igbo as slave. Igbo don't mean slave. So, my brothers from the southeast, let's work together. We travel every day to see that Anioma State is being actualized. We have met the President General of Ohanese Igbo. Last time we visited Hope Uzodimma. We have been traveling all along. That's why for more than 4-5 days, for almost 4-5 days, before Christmas and even after Christmas, I didn't make any video. If not, I dey post video every day, but that period we dey travel, you see say things happen. That community called Abo, the name is originally Ebo. The founder of Abo was a man called Ogele. Ogele ruled Abo with the title of Eze. He ruled Abo with Ofo. He ruled Abo with 4 market days. This information is coming from the most respected historian from Abo community. His name is A.E. Idue. A.E. Idue said that Abo was ruled with Eze title. He said that when Ogele came, that Ogele settled under a tree in Abo, in that community, and that tree is called Igbo. Now corruption made them they call him Abo. The name is Igbo tree. Another place, the palace of Abo Kingdom, they reach today. You know, say Igbo tree, not they die. As they die, still they grow. Igbo tree can stay there for so many years, you know, they die. If you long, you die, another one they come out. That is how Igbo tree is. That is what A.E. Idue said. He is the most respected historian from Ika land. He is from Abo, I ain't talk this thing. Make it not be like say, now somebody from Sati they talk am. Nah, him they talk am. If you see say that Abo means earth in Igbo land, is true. But I'm telling you what someone from Abo said. That the name Abo is Igbo. It's in the name of tree. Igbo tree is all over Igbo land. Now we think they do boundary. So we Igbo people are one people. There are communities in the southeast that are called Abo. There are communities in the southeast that are called Abo. My community, Ogume, in Okwale land, there's another community in Imo State called Enugu Ogume.
Yes, sir.
They are called Ogume. So, Ndi Igbo, let's have one agenda. See, any Igbo agenda at all, make we use one mind and follow that agenda. Make we support the agenda. Make we defend the agenda. Our status position will say, if we get Anioma State now, what is the benefit of Anioma State to we the politicians in Imo State? What is the benefit of Anioma State to we the politicians in Enugu State that are agitating for other states? They will say the resources will be managed by Anioma people that they want to benefit from it. We will be left with nothing. So instead of we to support Anioma people to get all those crude oil and gas in their land back to southeast, we rather get other states and be surviving with the only two crude oil that we have. It's better for us to be eating our crude oil money in other states than to support Anioma people to get Anioma State, and only them will be enjoying those resources. And then people will say the same thing. And they tell you human behavior, how some human beings they reason. Because if person they pursue any agenda, it's expected of you to know the reason why this person is agitating for this agenda. Know the reason why this person is doing this thing. You go read the mind, know saying nah, this thing make this person they actualize, they agitate for this thing. Ndi Igbo have a very long way to go, and that is where Igbo politicians come in. Because those people know the reason the way we, the masses, they reason. Politicians they find money where you go chop 15 years coming, 20 years coming, 30 years coming. The one where they go chop today, not be problem. That one is settled already. When people say that Ndi Igbo don't love themselves, what they mean is Southeast politicians don't love Ndi Igbo. Ndi Igbo love themselves, but Southeast politicians don't love Ndi Igbo. Because they know they do our mind, they do their own. Eh? Just imagine. We will call the people and say we want Anioma State, people and support Anioma State. All those politicians knows the importance of Anioma State to the Southeast. They know say Anioma State now to strengthen the Southeast, the unity of the Southeast. Anioma State now to increase the landmass of the Southeast. Anioma State now to increase the political strength of the Southeast, and so on. But instead, these people want to create a state from the state that they already have. It's very shameful. Nothing of shame. It's very shameful. See, Ijaw people, they look for to raid the states for them to have two more Ijaw states. Make it now 2 states Ijaw people get for Nigeria. Instead of Southeast to get Anioma State to join Southeast, they are busy looking for a way to cut Anioma land, to cut Anambra State and Imo State to form the states. If you want us to work together to see that Anioma State work. If you know anything that you know you can do to see that Anioma State becomes a reality, send me a message on my WhatsApp number. If you watch my video, as my video dey start, you go see where they do advertisement. Enter that place, click on the number, like that my number where they there. Save that number in your phone as Spirit Almighty. Send me a message. Let's work together. You've heard plenty, the work will be easier. The message will get to our people faster. How many will they online where they do the video for the Igbo education movement? We are just few people. We are not doing this thing for our selfish interest. Say we they do this thing to get Anioma State. Say me they can't give me one or anywhere. Say we they do this thing to get Anioma State. May they can't make me governor. May they make me councillor. May they make me House of Reps member. Make them make me honorable. No. I want to make we get Anioma State. Make we see our brothers join Anioma land. Make we bring out our Igbo brothers from Edo State back to Anioma land for them to coexist with their Igbo brothers in the southeast. For them to stop being marginalized by the Oba of Benin. That is all we are asking for. Our brothers from the southeast support the creation of Anioma State and the southeast zone. Anioma State. If we get Anioma State now, Ikwere people will start to wake up because they will want to have their own states. Anioma State will solve so many problems that Igbo nation is facing today. This is why Ikwere people talk to Igbo. If we get Anioma State, they will wake up, they will be like, wow, so these Anioma people, they really get to this state, come join their brother in the south. What are we waiting for to join our brothers? They will start asking themselves questions. Their own mind will start to bother them. They will come see the way things go they work for Igbo nation, because once we get Anioma State, our seaport go they open immediately. As we Anioma people dey for Delta State now, there's no way where Anambra State and Anioma will take team up get seaports. We can build one seaport in Abo. Let me say our Igbo brothers when they do business for Anioma land will fit. They carry their goods. They go their market where the Anioma land they do market. We can create a seaport where we say our brothers when they come with container go fit they carry that container they enter Anambra State. To build a seaport for Anioma and Anambra, say Anambra and Anioma won't get seaport. They go only do it with unity because we be one people. But as far as say we did for this Delta State, Urobo people not will agree because they want that their seaport in Warri to be functioning. As we did for this Delta State now, say we Anioma people talk say we want make we get Anioma, say we want make we get seaport. Urobo people not will agree because they go talk say our own seaport not they work and I want to make on our own they work. If we get two seaports, how revenue will they come well for this one where they worry? We will never allow it to happen. So people when say we and not they speak the same language, they will never see us as one of them. They don't see us as one of them. They see us as a separate people. We don't have the same agenda with them. That's why we're going to talk go one side, they're going to talk go this side. The two major geopolitical zones in Nigeria that their politicians don't have vision. Listen attentively. The two major geopolitical zones in Nigeria that their politicians don't have an agenda. Their politicians don't have direction. The number one, the first one is southeast. Then the second one is south-south. The reason why the first one is the southeast is because southeast are one people, but their politicians don't have they don't have vision. The only politician for southeast I will tell you say this politician get vision now. Alex Oti from Abia State. The way that man they reason, the things where they do, and for the betterment of India, the betterment of Igbo nation. He supported Anioma State without wasting time. Alex Oti not waste time. He showed full support for Anioma State. Because you know, say, Anioma said it's the right thing for Igbo nation. That is what we are supposed to be doing. Make our politicians, make them they work with each other, make them they deliberate. Now this thing they important pass. Now this one they important pass. This Igbo agenda, how we take actualize that? Now seaport we no get. How we go take build seaport? How we go take how our international airport go take the function? How we go take do this one? How we go take do that one? How we go take build good road system? How we go take build railway? How we go take do a water transport system? Make all this in the function so that our road not go dey congested. How we go take build this company? How we go take build this factory? All our politicians know how to build in the statistics to they do road. They have programmed our people with this road of it where we say if they write down achievements where our governors do, only road that they do. Only road. Get that mindset. Make we get that mindset. Say now only road our politicians for this country they do. I seen us in they open in factory where they produce cars. You see how many youth when you employ. Why our politicians not fit open factory where they produce car, factory where they produce gun, factory where they produce phone, factory where they produce fridge, factory where they produce AC and other things. Make them employ our people. They don't do all those things. All they know how to do is building road, build Oka road, build Enugu road, build Ebonyi road, build Anioma road, Asaba Bini Expressway. Now just road they sabi do. The time to be calling out our politicians is now. If our politicians must change for the better, we will start to call them out. Me for video they call them out. The worst they can do is to arrest me. If they arrest me, I will still come out. After they release me, I will point that politician of face say, "Hey, boy, John mad. We pack an joy." Then they watch our video. Then they see what we do. They know say na them we did. Then they see us. Only Igbo unity will save Igbo nation. See, no matter what you are doing, no matter the agenda, no matter the movement that you are trying to actualize in this Igbo land, if Igbo not unite, nobody will support that agenda. Any movement that you are pursuing in this Igbo land, if you are not doing it with unity, that thing not go work. Okwane people, they see what they do, they support what they do. So many Okwane people will tell you that Okwane is Igbo. I will post a video tomorrow to show you where Okwane elders are saying that they are Igbo people. And they will tell you what they are suffering in the house of Yoruba people. Just stay tuned. Tomorrow you go see the video. Bring your friends, bring people to subscribe to this my YouTube channel. Make them they follow up. We are agitating for Igbo to unite. Igbo unification movement. So if you are just following me for the first time, my name is Spirit Almighty. I am working, doing everything possible to see that Igbo unite. I am not from the southeast. I'm from Okwane land in Anioma land. My father is from Ogume community in Okwane land. My mother is from Musisa community in Okwane land. My both parents are from Okwane. I'm not from the southeast. And that is the reason why our Anioma people are waking up. Why they see say our Anioma people not they listen to our people for southeast where they tell them say they're Igbo people. Because if they thought they go talk say southeast person, and expansion is they will talk nonsense. But me Okwane person go tell them say we are our brothers for southeast na brothers. If that person see who got us, will not be well. Tell them say it was not get sense. Now me go fit call them also. I go still call their community. They no go fit do anything. But if they say we the Igbo unification women are from southeast, therefore don't carry police arrest us. But they cannot try it because we are from Anioma. We they bust their lives. We they tell them the truth where they no want hear. So for those Igbo people that are denying their Igbo identity to accept their Igbo identity, then people from that region are expected to be speaking up, telling them that they are Igbo people. If you go reverse it now, the tribes, our brother for there, from Ikwere, he's doing a very big job. He's doing a wonderful job. So many Ikwere people today are saying that they're Igbo people because of what that young man is doing. So many Anioma people today are saying that they're Igbo because of what we, the Igbo unification movement from Anioma land, are doing. So if you see somebody from Kwai talks not be Igbo, leave them. Now why them is they share those videos. And why them is must surely share it. Benin people will share it. Yoruba people will share it. How many of Benin people you never go Benin person page see and post say Okwane man say that Okwane people is Igbo. You not go post that. Have you ever seen a Yoruba person post Okwane saying that Okwane people is Igbo? They're not going to post that. Have you ever seen Yoruba people post that Anioma people are Igbos? No. Have you ever seen a Benin person post that Anioma people are Igbos? No. They want to see us divided. Now that one where to say not be Igbo, then they post. This is why it's expected of we Igbo unification movement. It's expected of we Igbo people to propagate about the Igbo unification. Tell those Igbos in diaspora about Igbo unification. For them to know that their people agitating for Igbo to unite. Those ones who get connection, may they call this our politician for Southeast to order. The only thing will make those our Southeast politicians to give up on those name state and other states now. Make people where them they respect for diaspora, call them to order. World Igbo Congress, call them to order. Our politicians for Southeast, then they listen to World Igbo Congress, call them to order. Make World Igbo Congress talk to them, say Anioma they want. All of us, we need to play our own role. Igbo unification is a fight. Everybody know will support them. Enemies are fighting it. Yoruba they fight them, Benin they fight them. Ibibio they fight them. I don't see some Mumu people from Ibibio they thought say Anioma people are not Igbo people. Anioma people, Igbo people should remain in South to this, that. South is want to use our population in South to grow their region. So people when they fight this Anioma see they plenty. It's not just Okowa. Others on Okowa they wasting time because Okowa is not. Okowa not get any other political career again. Now only contract, all those one where Tinubu they give and so all those appointments finish. Okowa is not going anywhere. Once we get a normal state, Okowa career don't end. You can't stop it. So stop saying that we need our name state and other state because Anioma people are saying that they don't want to join the Southeast. Don't allow those people to get to you. Not be you the Igbo unification in the verse. What of we where they here? See, they tell our people say we be Igbo people. For so many years we have been here and we are making progress. We where they here, we they try stand with the Igbo unification movement, propagate the message of the Igbo unification movement. All your people from Anambra State, they tell them why we want Anioma State. If they talk say Anioma people talk say they not Igbo, give them reasons why they should support Anioma State. Tell them that and then people want to divide Anambra State into to take one side to form an entity. Tell them make it they be here. Tell them make it sink into their brain. Tell them the dangers of dividing Anambra State to Anambra people. This is a fight that we must actualize. This is a fight that we must win. I am ready to stay here till tomorrow morning talking about this thing. Are they ready to hear they talk about this thing? They talk. Me na person me say to talk not dey tire me. Amali me ekwu okwu mana abụ hozi onye na-ekwu okwu ọbụla ndị na-ekwu fulifuli na-ekwu ife na-edị ha n'ụzọ. Ana m ekwu okwu dị n'ụzọ ka ọ dịrị ndị nke anyị mma. Anioma State is for Igbo nation. Some people are saying Anioma State is that Senator Nwoko wants to be governor. How many years governor he won't be? We will hear what. If Senator Nwoko become governor of Delta State, Anioma State, and just 2 years, finish 8 years. If you just do 2 tenure, finish, you will come up for there. You will never be a governor again forever. Another person go enter. That is what we are agitating for. Make we bring out our Igbo brother from Edo State. If we bring out our Igbo brother from Edo State, we will not say we have saved Igbo landmass. We have saved Igbo territory from being in 2 different states. Like, you know what you say? You bring out Anioma people from Delta State. You bring out the indigenous Igbo people in Edo State. 2 places. You bring out Anioma people from one geopolitical zone, South, add for Southeast. You bring out Ibanke people where they for another state for that same geopolitical zone back to the Southeast. It's a big win for the Southeast. If any politician for Southeast come and say one go for presidency, our votes go count, our voice go high. It go strengthen our unity. We go speak with one voice. Our Igbo politicians wey wan go for presidency, they no go dey go north again. They talk say make Northerners vote for them. During Tinubu's presidential campaign, did you see Tinubu come to Igbo land? He not come because he not need our votes. He know say Southeast people are not united. Because that unity don't shrink the population of the Southeast. Do you know the population of the indigenous Igbos in the South? The population of the indigenous Igbos in the South is 10 to 15 million people. Go and verify. And Anioma people is up to 2 point something million to 3 million people. This Anioma land where you see so. Anioma is bigger than Anambra State. Anioma is bigger than Abia State. Check the Igbo population where all those regions. Make you check the Igbo population where they this Anioma land. See our land mass, see our population, see our resources. See the manpower where they Anioma land. Anioma land is Igbo territory. They want us to give it up. If Anioma this house out, na big lose for Igbo nation. Because instead of Igbo nation to expand, it will shrink. The job people they add their brothers where they Bayelsa, Edo and Delta to be one state to raise the state. CIS, thank you very much. That is what we should be doing. The major people will make the major people that will destroy that and state this because that and state agenda needs to be destroyed because it's of no benefit to Igbo nation. And Anambra people, if na protest, make una protest. So no part of Anambra state should be used to create any other state in the southeast. Make una hold ground, make una no agree. This is something that should be done. Because once you people do a protest now, we go share that protest for social media. If not to call Arise News, make una call Arise News. If not to call Anambra State News channels, make una call them come that day. Call them come. We too, in the National Cultural Organization, the Igbo Unification Movement, we go come. We be Igbo people. We go come for that place. We go talk, we go capture everything. Make the world here say Anambra people no want to make any of their land join Anim states. See Anambra people waiting to watch in Anioma state, make their brother join them. With that, you could encourage Senator Ned Nwoko. With that, you could encourage with the Igbo Unification Movement. With that, you could encourage other Igbo states to support Anioma. As if we say our politicians not like us, make we show ourselves say we like ourselves. Make we prove to our politicians say we can do it without them. If an Anambra people protest say make no part of their land join an name state, you think say purpose of them are go fit cut that land, create an name state? You not go fit because the people don't stand against them. If you try, there will be a very big problem. There will be a very big problem because Anambra people don't give warning. Say if anybody try am, it not go good for anybody. If anybody try and waiting go happen not go good. That is how to protest. Social media protest is not enough. If you have been following the Igbo Unification Movement, you go see if you see that protest where we do not be first go tell you say these people diverse. We did this in Asaba. And we are demanding for Anioma State to be created and sold to the south. That is what we said there. We not they hide them out, they do that. No. We say this with boldness. We say it with seriousness. This is what we want. If Anambra people don't shatter the dream of an state now. Don't quench that dream. And the state is going nowhere. Imagine person won't create a selfish state for himself and him states. Instead of bringing the Igbos outside the Southeast to join the Southeast, they want share their state. The Anambra people can't keep quiet, they look. You keep quiet, they look. It's very bad. If you are from Anambra, message me, my number there, my video. Just play any of my video. You heard that song where you go see where they advertise the way it. You will see my number there. If you even go for my video where I post this morning, as the video just play, they watch and you go see my number. You know, even reach 2 seconds, you don't see my number for there. Message me, I will reply you. Let's deliberate. Let's work together. Because the Southeast needs to make a choice, and that choice should be Anioma. If Southeast go that place, go talk another thing, that means now Southeast nice sabotage the creation of Anioma state. Make una know the talk say Anioma people dey sabotage, all those Anioma will not join Southeast. Those people not get say, they are just few. Majority of Anioma people want Anioma state to be in the Southeast. All they want is Southeast politicians who say that what they want is Anioma state. Chicken na ukwago. That is all we want. Igbo bulofu ọnụ na-ekwu. If you go by say they get so many crude oil and gas for that place, but they're not also me they divide them for their selfish interest. Instead, their interest now to get their brothers to join them. Southeast don't have our Southeast politicians, they don't have interest. So many of our people in the Southeast, they don't even know all these things why they talk. So say these are the reasons why all these politicians are doing all these things. Some of them will come and tell us, hey, we want an new state. This is why I said that every Igbo person will support Igbo agenda. But it did very good to make majority of Igbo they support Igbo agenda because it's for our own good. It's for our own benefit. Igbo unity is very important. If you check my video, CIS, if you are watching my video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, go to my video, play any of my video. As the video they play, you will see where they write, where they advertise the way city estate. Come and buy your land from the way city estate. Then you will see a number there. My number, that is my call number, that's my WhatsApp number. Message me. We need to be interacting with our followers. We need to be interacting with our subscribers. Make our interaction not just end for social media. Yeah, make it not end for YouTube. Make that interaction reach WhatsApp. Make we dey communicate. Make we dey know the way forward. So if we get any plan for our agenda for Igbo nation, see what we dey actualize, we will actualize. We go dey actualize that thing together. As we are working online, we are working offline. That is how to actualize an agenda. That is how to actualize a movement. Remember Michael Caleb. Remember. So if you are watching this video, just go for that. Just go for my videos. You will see the number for there. Call me. There are people that are calling me from this YouTube. So that's my number. I'm not even tell them say me they go that way, but they called, and we are working to see things work. Work dey grand now as we dey now. Work dey grand. We will never lose this chance. See, we will never lose Anioma state because if anything happen to this Anioma state now we cause am. Because we will never blame anybody. Now you cause am, na me cause am. Na Anioma cause am, na Southeast cause am. So in order for us not to blame anybody, in order for us not to regret at last, in order for us not to cover our face in shame, we need to come out and demand for Anioma state. You spoke well. Super Pro Solution. If you want this your word to stand, contact me for WhatsApp. Check my video. You will see number where they there as the video they play. Call that number. Message that number WhatsApp. Make we create group. Add people for that. Make we add on for that group. Make we talk. It was ready. The deputy just did our answer. They saw of us the follow Ned. We did that group. Let's deliberate. Let's talk. Let's walk. Walk the ground. We started this Igbo unification movement with our own money. Nobody they give us money. Say make una take travel, go this place, go preach Igbo unification. Make una take money, go there. Now our own pocket money. We take it one. Now is the time for Igbo to invest in this movement. For this movement to succeed. If you get any agenda where we go, make we put money inside, make it work. No agenda is being actualized without funding. Anambra people. The reason why they call Anambra Imo State people. Imo State people, if you be Imo State, you from any part of Southeast, say Anambra people want protest, say they want to make Anioma State, say Anioma State they want. You can come and join. Because Anim states can never work without including part of Anambra to it. It can't work without including part of Anambra to eat. Because Anambra I make a name state. Yes. But if Anambra people stand against and say, la you. So you do not try and say you map any of our land. You give all these Imo state people they look for name states. Suppose they might not go try and come here first one collect land. Give which states? Our states were small. Have you think say that better to say Anambra the second most smallest state in Nigeria? If Anambra state and the biggest state, it's a flex. But mapping out land from the second smallest state in Nigeria to create a state, we will never allow such a thing to happen. The Igbo unification movement is a fight. Let's fight well. We could not allow any politician who not get vision to come scatter this Anioma state where we agitate for. The oldest state agitation in Nigeria is Anioma state. 87 years now, not be small children thing. 87 years. Since 1938. They never born so many of our papa then. Some of our grandpapa, they never born them for 1938. Southeast, no, our politicians, they not get direction. No dream, no goal, no agenda for Igbo nation. Say our brother Mazina, they cannot do for detention. What are our Southeast politicians doing to bring him out? What are they doing to bring him out? And that's because Igbo nation lacks unity. That is why we are here preaching unity. For our people to know the importance of unity. One single stick of broom not go fit sweep anything. But if broom gather, they sweep. A single termite does not build an empire, not build empire. But if termites come out in crowd, they build an empire. A single tree does not make a forest. A crowd of trees a forest. So we Igbo people, let's do everything possible and make sure that we unite. Let us coexist. Let's live together. Let's end identity crisis in Igbo land. If you check our videos now counter attack. When all these people from other tribes they are attacking the Igbo, they speak evil about the Igbo. We are here to debunk them. We are here to push Igbo agenda forward. With the Igbo unification movement, we have so many agenda for Igbo nation that we want to actualize. But Anioma state actualization, the actualization of Anioma state comes first, number one thing. Because once Anioma state is being actualized and zone to the southeast, it don't finish. Igbo nation don't succeed with that. Then we build a very strong bond between our governors. All of them, one mindset, one goal, one agenda. If we get Anioma state now, we will not abandon our brothers in Kogi and Benue states. We will surely bring them back through boundary adjustments. That is what we are doing. I would like to stop this live here. I'll be here for some hours now. I believe next time we continue. Yeah, Senator Izunazo is behind her name state, but not the senator. There is a power behind that name state, not just Izunazo, and that person is focused on them. So Izunazo are just frontier person where they see the person where they agitate for that name state, person where they finance and person where they pursue for that name state. Now focus on them. Like I said, those are Anioma people that are saying that they are not Igbo. They are a minority. You don't see them come do counter protest. They cannot do protest. They want to just do that they talk. One thing you understand about politics is some people go support and some people not go support them. If we get Anioma state zone and go southeast, if the level they talk say, they're not Igbo people, leave them. As they break, they could understand say they're Igbo people. So Anioma people are not the problem. If Southeast just say they want Anioma state, so we don't say the entire Southeast are in support of Anioma. If a referendum will be conducted, then a referendum will be conducted in Anioma for Anioma people to vote. Of course, Oshimi and Adoncha people, all of them will vote for Anioma state to join the Southeast. Of course, Okwane people will vote for Anioma state to join the Southeast. Ika people will vote for Anioma state to join the Southeast. So we have won. All we want is for Southeast to support the creation of Anioma state. Finish. Now, you see, Imo State people are united. Although people are not complaining of marginalization, Isu people there are not complaining of marginalization. Why is Pupus of them or all those Isunazo agitating for Imo State? This is for you to know that it's for their selfish interests. This is why we are making this video, to enlighten our people. Now for their selfish interests, not for the interest of Igbo nation. It's not for the interest of Igbo nation. But as we talk around, some people will say, hey, you are here the marketing and in states, you are here the marketing and other states. Talk for Anioma state, talking about all this. But we talk about it because we are Igbo. We want the best for Igbo nation. Although people know the cry of marginalization, if they want to create a state, mapping out all law and they hear a local government to create an name state. Eh? Now, all those ones, sense they there so. If by the time you say our politician for South is not get direction, you go be like say, you dey insult them. It's not insult. Oh, you imagine if na what say, you imagine if we back na jife the home. The problem for our politicians in South is money. If you thought say, this politician, na greedy politician, na selfish politician, all those greediness and selfishness is channeled to money. Money, ego bụ nsogbu anyị na-enwe na Igbo. The problem that we are having in this Igbo land is money. As we define money, make we teach our people say money is very good, money is very important, but don't put money first before your people. Not put your selfishness, your greed first before your people. Just like as we talk now, this Yoruba person for this commercial talk say Anioma state will not be created. You see, if I return and say this tribe called Yoruba not good, some people will think say you not just like them. You will never say anything positive from them. All they know how to do is disunity, and that is why I'm so happy whenever I hear that Fulani people have conquered Kwara State. You see, as Fulani take conquer Kwara State, Kwara State is gone. Before, only Lauren they conquer, but you see the whole entire Kwara State. You don't finish. Kwara State don't see. Oh, Chideke, Kwara State is gone. It will never be recovered, and I'm thankful Fulani people for that. Yoruba people will lose more states. Look now, a Fulani man is campaigning to be the governor of Osun State. So what are we talking about here? Instead of you Yoruba people to focus on your problem in Yoruba land, you leave Yoruba land. Come Igbo man comment section. They talk rubbish. They talk say, hey, Igbo people, do you know that Anioma state will not be created? Wole Soyinka created cultism. What is that cultism doing for Nigerian youth? Killing Nigerian youth. Youths who come from the same village, they will slaughter each other. Because of why? Because of the disunity called cultism created by Wole Soyinka. So anywhere where Yoruba people enter, there will be disunity. The problem that we have in Idu Kingdom is Yoruba people. Shey na Oromi or Yoruba prince from Ile-Ife come destroy Idu Kingdom. They started using people for sacrifice because Yoruba culture is so fetish. They started using people for sacrifice, using people for slavery. Yoruba people enter the Idu Kingdom. Disunity started everywhere. That is a Yoruba man. They don't like unity. They don't like peace. They want to destroy evil people. Yoruba people don't want the Ijaw people in Ondo State to have to rape a state. The land belongs to Ijaw people. The crude oil in Ondo State is in the land of those Ijaw people. Yoruba people not get one single crude oil for their land for that Ondo State. And Yoruba people are saying the land of the Ijaw people is their wealth in that Ondo State, that they will never allow Ijaw people to get to rape a state. And that's how Ijaw people right, because Ijaw people, they see they fight Igbo unification. They don't want to make Anioma people like any good thing when they come for Igbo land, Ijaw people they stand against them. Ijaw people are there claiming the lands of Ikwere people, claiming that they own Port Harcourt, claiming that they own the land of Ikwere people. What is happening today? Yoruba people, another enemy, are fighting there, say that they will not get that state. I am so happy that every tribe in this country are having one or two problems or the other. It's not just for the Igbo. Anybody who don't want to make Igbo person mind touch ground, their mind will touch ground. Yoruba people, you people have lost Ilorin forever. Ilorin is gone. The same way you people lose Ilorin, you people will lose Yoruba. As far as say you people are not focusing on your problem, you are focusing on Igbo. Igbo are now a distraction to you Yoruba people. One thing that Yoruba people don't know is that Igbo is a distraction to them. Leave Igbo alone and focus on your problem in Yoruba land. As far as you focus on Igbo, you will lose your land. People are go swallow and no worry. Wanna go cry. Wanna go cry. Wanna go cry. This is what we are saying. So, those our brothers from Isu, make una start to dey speak up. Our brothers from Olo, make una start to dey speak up. Say, una no want an state. You people are not marginalized. So, what is the essence of creating that an state? We are normal people. We are being marginalized in Delta State. Oh, we are being marginalized. We are complaining of marginalization. We are crying of marginalization. Now we know what they see for this Anioma land here. Don't worry, tomorrow I will post the video. Stay tuned to watch that video and see what those elders from Mokwane will say. Go down, you will confirm what is happening there. So we don't come here to spill lies. We don't come here to divide people. We are uniting in people. Imo State, no part for Imo State, they complain of marginalization. Why are they trying to create an state? Why are they trying to cause confusion? Majority of the people in Imo State are Isu. Ibuzo people in Anioma land, they migrated from Isu. There's a school in Ibuzo called Isu Nabogo. Ibuzo is called Ibuzo Isu. So, you want an state to be created out of your selfishness, and you want your brothers from Isu, Ibuzo people to remain in the south to remain in marginalization. Maybe they marginalize them. Politics is not good. True. Some politicians are so evil. It's very bad. Yoruba people are not united. You see, wait for. Yoruba people fought the longest intertribal war in Nigeria. They fought the longest intertribal war, which lasted for 19 years. Where Yoruba people, they invade each other, they slaughter each other, they kill each other. Is it not the disunity in Yoruba land that made Fulani to slaughter Afonja? Afonja in Ilorin was fighting with another Yoruba region. The fight was so tense that he went ahead and invited Fulani people to fight on his behalf. And after Fulani people fought on his behalf, Fulani people slaughtered him and took over Ilorin. And one idiot is somewhere saying that Igbo people are not united. What is unity? Have you ever heard that we Igbos are invading each other, killing each other? All these Yoruba people, make sure not mind them failures, all those fake unity. A Yoruba man said that if Yoruba people get to Luluwa nation, that they will go into 100 years war because they don't like each other. They are saying that they don't like each other. They're just deceiving themselves. The only unity that Yoruba people have with the North is the hatred that the both of them have for Igbo. If we get an Anioma State, una will cry. Igbo unity is unstoppable. Nobody can divide Igbo. We are Anioma people. We are Igbo people. I'm from Mokwane. paternally and maternally. Nobody come for one day they tell me say Almighty you be Igbo person. No, I know that I'm Igbo. Majority of Okwane people are in support of Igbo unification. Our Southeast brother, majority of them are in support of Anioma State. But we need to make a statement. We need to make statements for Anambra State. Make their governor take note, say no part of Anambra should be mapped out. There's one thing about protest. If that protest carry weight, say people come out, march in solidarity, say make no part of Anambra. Make no part of Anambra join that proposed and them state. You go see say, and then people their own don't finish with that. They cannot try it. Igbo bofu. Yoruba people, they talk about Ndi Igbo. Ndi Igbo have distracted Ndi Yoruba. We not even the disturb una. We not even drag una. Yet when they drag us to divide us, you will lose more lands to Fulani. My people, let me stop here. Thank you very much for your time and attention. I'm so happy because so many people joined this live. I was on TikTok before I came here. I was doing live there, but nobody was there. People are not showing up, so I need to come to YouTube. I will be coming to YouTube to be talking. Now YouTube I will come now. They talk to our people. Igbo bofu. Please, if you are from the southeast here, if you are Igbo, if you are from Anioma, my number is in my video. Message me. Let's know the way forward. Our unity is our strength. Remain blessed, my people. I love you all. Stay blessed till we meet again. You share well. Igbo bofu, my brother. Igbo bofu, dalo. Our people from Kogi. If we get Anioma State, then we will bring back the Igbos indigenous in Kogi and Benue State through boundary adjustment for them to join Enugu and Ebonyi State. Boundary adjustment is allowed. Boundary adjustment is allowed in Nigeria. So, as if we get Anioma State, they're not going to get other states. Other states is not possible. What we want is Anioma. So once we get Anioma State, we will bring back our brothers in Kogi and Benue to join Enugu and Ebonyi State. That is what we are going to do. Okay. Anyway, you know that we talk to Hope Uzodinma. Call that person to talk to Hope Uzodinma because now all those are named people and I be the problem who they get now. That is what we are going to do. Thank you, my people. Till we meet again. You share well. Igbo bofu.